up. Why are you crying that up and down? I'd say not like that. I'm spinning.
Well, you're still not skating, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
The reason I hold it like this is because then you can see you skate.
Yes, but then it's sideways when I turn it up.
And she doesn't succeed.
Ow, that hurt. It was pointless. Or not.
Still not on the skateboard.
That's cool.
SpongeBob.
Sweet.
Boy. Now skateboard.
I'm not skating.
Skate.
Nope.
Skate.
Nope.
Chelsea's a wimp.
Yep.
Chelsea's a wimp.
Yep. Skate. Call me Chelsea.
Call you Chelsea all the time. I have a camera, you can't hit me.
Ow. You're still recording, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh wait, there's a skateboard I can hit him with.
No skateboard. I'll fix it. Wait, gotta get it on tape. Come on. But it's easier to get your whole body in that shot when it's up and down. No problem.
Oh, I ran over my foot.
Beautiful. So you get mad if I hold it like this then? You should skate forward because right now it's looking at your butt.
That's horrible. Stop, Robert.
You fell, I fell.
Did you really?
Yeah. Hold on. Jerk.
You're just jealous. Ah, you hit me again.
Oh, yes.
You tell me to focus. I'm just have to give you some focus. Travis, what are you doing? Stop texting. No, I want to text. Who are you texting, Raymond? No, because Raymond's idiot. What? Nothing. I heard that. No, I didn't hear that. Honestly, I didn't. Tell me to focus. I can't hear you. Oh, I hate this fight.
She's such a wonderful skater, people. I'm done holding this camera. Someone else take it.
I'm trying to get around the curve so I don't have to stop. It's not
I think the sun got you.
Yes, it did. Yes. Oh, I got it. No. Okay, I quit. You quit.
Can I stop recording now?
Sure.